Hi, and welcome to Code Club. In this Code Club, we are doing Tynker's Dragon Blast puzzles. So this is really fun. You get to choose a dragon, and then we get to use the different coding methods to be able to get through this hour of code activity. So I hope you like dragons, and I hope you like treasure and blasting things. All right, so all you need to do is use the link that we've provided for you in the description, which is tynker.com hour-code/dragon-blast. I know that's a lot, so use the link, it'll be faster. All right, so once you're there, if you're not there, then pause me. We're gonna go to play now. So when you hit play now, we get to choose a dragon egg. So you can do Jasper, Grouper, or Harbor. I am going to do Jasper because I like the blue and yellow. So you keep clicking on it until you see your dragon. Now we have to get our dragon from here up to here in the goal. So we're going to click anywhere.
Each walk makes the dragon walk one step forward to the next space on the path. Each jump makes the dragon jump up to the next platform.
All right. Because you can't hear my volume anyways, I am going to mute that. So what you have to do is we have to walk forward. So this is very, very similar to Scratch. And you're going to have your dragon walk forward, and then you have to have him jump. So we need to count. So we have one forward, and then he needs to jump up. So let's do a walk, and then a jump. All right, and then we hit the play button, which is all the way over here in the little corner of the jungle, and we get to see what happens. And he got up, and yay, we did it. Good job, us. So then we click somewhere else on next lesson, and now we're on to a new one. So we have to teach our young dragon to blast fire to reach the treasure. So we have a dragon, we have a firefly, we have a log, and then we have some gold. So we're going to click and see what the instructions say. So to have fire, we will eat the firefly. Sorry, little firefly. And then we're going to walk up and blast the log. And then we still have to get to the treasure. So as you can see here, the firefly is literally right in front of him. So we're going to eat. And then we're going to walk, because there's a space right here. So we have to walk. And then we have to blast because the log is in the way. And then we have to walk to where that log was. And then we have to walk once more to get to the treasure. So we'll add one more. Hit play. All right, so he ate, he walked forward, he blasted. He walked forward, and yay, we did it. Good job, us. All right, so we're gonna do one more together, and then it's your turn to keep going forward. So next lesson. In this one, our firefly is all the way up here, our log is over here, and our treasure is right here. And if we go underneath, we're never going to get to the treasure because the log's not big enough for us to jump around. So we click, and it's going to need us to walk forward one right here to this space. And then we're going to need to jump up, and we're going to have to walk one, or maybe, no, that's already putting us up there. So we'll have to eat the bug, because we already jumped right up here. So we'll have to eat the bug, and then we're going to need to walk, and then we're going to have to blast, and then I think we're going to have to do 2 more walks because that's space. So let's see how that goes. Now, if you want to make this a little more challenging, if you look at the bottom of the screen, we have Tynker, we have Python, we have Swift, and we have JavaScript. So if you are like super comfortable with Blockly or with the Tynker version, then you can change this to Python, and it's going to change it to a different type of script. So on start, walk, jump, eat. So we would have to put numbers in here. If we wanted to do Swift, it looks almost the same. And then JavaScript is still fairly similar. So you could change it depending on which model or which coding language that you really want to work on, okay? So this like isn't available on every single one of the different steps, but it is available on some of them. So if you want to do something a little different, then utilize these at the bottom. So we're going to play and see if we did this right. Okay, so we're walking, we blasted, then walk, and then walk. So we did it. Great job, us. All right, so this is where I leave you for now. But if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you want some more help, then please reach out to us in the comments. And we can't wait to see you when the Grundy Library reopens for Code Club in person. All right, see you later.